Tanggal 7 sampai tanggal 11 bahkan secara terus-menerus akan ada Internasional Skydiving Festival Karimunjawa, Boogie Jump Jumping.
Nice jump, nice landing, nice icing.
Cool. Bye. Ini adalah pertama kali di Indonesia dan ini ada di Karimunjawa. Karena ini memang tempatnya ini sudah mendukung, bandaranya, fasilitasnya. Kita menjual dengan satu tema adalah Island View, Beach View. Ini adalah yang kita jadikan tema untuk kita mengekspos Karimunjawa, Indonesia ke luar negeri.
The day I just jumped from Karimunjawa, it was literally heaven. I have jumped many places. I have jumped from Switzerland, I have jumped from Dubai, from Russia. But till today, this jump, Karimunjawa jump, was the best jump of my life.
Yeah, I would say that people definitely need to come and visit. It's a special place for diving. It's a very special place for just sightseeing around. It's very pure and wild. It's quite remote from everything else as well. So it's a bit of like Maldives of Indonesia in a way, you know.